guys, it is week 3 of the Baby Ranchu Starter Kit, and we are tracking the growth and development of these little guys. A couple of changes to the tank. I added an air stone in there, and I also added a more powerful air filter or air pump so that it drove a little bit more air into the into the sponge filter so that it could be a little bit more efficient. Another thing that I did is I started feeding them bloodworms more frequently because I wanted to see a little bit more color development in the fish that were white, the sakura. So you can see, let's say for example, Lunchbox there, that white fish, his yellows are starting to come out a little bit more too. So you can see when we do our little spotlight on him, this guy is one of the other fish, but you'll see that their yellows are starting to come out now just in a few different feedings of the bloodworms. So hopefully you'll see by next week that even more of their colors are going to start to come out. So here come the updates on the individuals. One last look at the baby Ranchu, and also a little tip for you, our weekly tip. You may have noticed that there's only a couple of inches of water in the tank, and there's a couple of reasons for that. One of the reasons is because it just makes it a bunch easier to clean the water because there's so much less water to clean. Another reason is because at this stage, the babies are developing their bodies, and it affects actually the shape and the heads of their body. If they have to dive too deep, their heads, the pressure of the water actually affects the shape of their heads, so they develop sort of a cone shape or a bullet shape. And you really want Ranchus to have nice round shapes, and you want their bodies to have really nice round shapes. It also affects the pressure inside their body. So you really want their the level of their water to be shallow, so it doesn't make it really hard for them to swim. So that's the reason why the water is so shallow. It just makes it easy for the babies. So stay tuned for next week's update. and hopefully you'll see even more colors coming out of this, guys. Thanks for watching.